My name is Casey. I have worked here since August of 2020, and I work as a client care representative in the Business Development Center here at Feldmann Imports. I first learned about Feldmann Imports when I was on the job hunt. It was just a listing that popped up in my area, and it really intrigued me, so I applied and I got the job. My favorite part about my job would be just getting to speak with the clients all day. I like helping people. It really brightens my day when I get to assist the customers here. Outside of work, I just really like to spend quality time with my friends and my family. I love my dogs and my cat, and getting to take the dogs on walks, spending time with them. I really like to travel, so I try to do that whenever I can. I've got some trips being planned right now, which I'm getting excited for. Things like that are what I enjoy doing outside of work. I would say that the best vacation I have been on would be a couple years ago. I traveled with some friends to Colorado, and that was the first time that I really traveled with friends, and I had a really good time, so that would probably be the best vacation that I've been on. I would say one of my proudest moments at work would be feeling like I've really conquered learning how to do my job. Starting here, I was brand new to the field and I really didn't know much about it. So feeling like I really figured it out, and now that I'm comfortable doing what I'm doing, that was a proud moment for me. Some advice that I would give to a new person here would be don't be afraid to ask questions. Everyone here is super helpful, and I know I asked a lot of questions when I first started, and I'm glad that I did because I know it made me a better employee and more able to do the work that I do. So definitely just don't be afraid to ask as many questions as you might need. I would have to say my favorite Mercedes-Benz would be the G63 AMG. It's just a great looking car and it runs really well. So definitely the G63 AMG model. 3 words I would use to describe Feldmann Imports would be welcoming, caring, and helpful. If I could only eat one meal for the rest of my life, that's an easy one for me. It would be pasta. It's been my favorite food ever since I was a kid. I still eat it almost every day, I'm ashamed to say, but it would definitely be pasta. I think that it is really important to provide excellent customer service to ensure that our customers are always going to be leaving happy and satisfied so that we keep them coming back.